Do you have any favorite food memories?
I guess my favorite food memory is my grandmother used to make pineapple pound cake. It was always lopsided.
I can get the lopsided part of any meal down for you if you need help.
No problem over here. I got it covered.
Probably my first cup of coffee. Does that count as food?
I think so. How old were you?
I was about 5 and my grandma made me a cup of Folgers back in Australia.
I'm sorry. You were 5 and you got coffee?
Back then it was totally fine. There was probably whiskey in it.
Going to Korea and eating live octopus. You really have to chew it up or else it might grab your throat on the way down.
Okay, so that time you were almost murdered by an octopus was your favorite food memory?
Absolutely.
A friend of mine decided to do a prank on me and said, you should try this spice. Put your finger in the spice and just give it a little sniff. And I did, and he put so much spice up my nose and I started crying and I wasn't able to eat for the rest of the evening.
Okay, very traumatic it sounds.